One of the other most important features of the patient portal are your medical records. It'll take you to your personal health record. In here you'll be able to input your health history, track your general health, upload any documents, and also view any test results. So to give you an example of how you can update your health history, we're going to input a test condition. Use asthma for example. And you can either type something in or select here from the menu. Select a status, whether it's a current condition, intermittent, or whether it's a past condition. Include the date of onset, and also any notes pertaining to the condition. And once complete, select Save. And you'll receive a notification that your condition was successfully added. Any new changes made to your health record will appear here under Recent Changes. Also, if you wanted to include any documents, you could select here on any of these plus symbols. And if you needed to include a progress note, or if you needed to include a lab result or any other information, you can go ahead and select that option and then choose to upload a file. And then once the file has attached, go ahead and select Save, and you'll receive a notification that the document was successfully uploaded. Also, if you wanted to include several pieces of information all at one time, you can select here on Complete Medical History Form. And what you'll be able to do is enter not one condition, but maybe several conditions all at one time. Maybe several medications, an allergy, any surgical history. And once you've completed all that information, go ahead and select Submit. And the changes will be made simultaneously. So once you've completed more of your medical record information, you can select here on View Full Chart, and you'll be able to see a comprehensive list of all of your medical information. To go back to your personal health record, you can select here on the Go Back option. Next, we have the option to import and export CCR files. So to upload a CCR file, just select here on Upload CCR option, and you want to choose the XML file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, go ahead and select Submit, and you'll see that the CCR file is added to your list of CCRs here. So if you want to add items from the CCR file to your personal health record, select here on Add Items. And what you'll see is a list of any conditions or medical information saved to the CCR file. So if you would like to add this record, you can go ahead and choose the Add This option, or you can go ahead and select the Do Not Add This option. The default is set to Add This, so you can always go here to the Deselect All option, and it'll automatically switch to Do Not Add This. If the item is already in existence, you can select Replace an Existing Item, and go ahead and choose an item that's already in your personal health record and make the update and select Replace. And once your upload is complete, you'll be taken back to your list of CCRs, and from there you can just go back to your medical record, and you can see here that your change has been made. And from your full chart, you can see a list of all your changes. Another way to add a document to your medical record is to select here on the Upload a File from your computer option, and you're able to accomplish the same task of uploading files. It's just another way to access that option. Directly beneath your medical record actions are your Internet Medical Clinic's tools, and this includes things such as editing your settings, editing your insurance information, requesting an e-consultation, scheduling an appointment, or adding a reminder. Directly below that, you have the opportunity to update your medical records. So say for example, if your medical record information was changed by an administrator or by your doctor, if you select here and update my medical records, then the information that they changed on their side of the portal will be synchronized with the information that you have here. So once the synchronization is complete, you'll be able to see any recent changes here. Also, if you make any changes on your side of the portal and you want to make sure that information gets to your doctor, you can go ahead and select Send Information to My Doctor, and your personal health record will synchronize. So before we move on, I want to make sure we talk about editing your insurance information. If you don't already have any insurance records, you want to select here on Add Insurance Information. Into the group, Insured ID, and select Save. And you'll receive a notification that the information was successfully saved. And lastly, if you have any issues using any of the features, you can just choose here to ask a question by calling this number or sending the Contact Us form. And you can look through a list of frequently asked questions, and then go ahead and send a message if your question isn't answered here. If you wanted to invite a friend or family member to use the patient portal, you can select here on Invite a Friend or Family Member option. Enter the name of your family member, their phone number, their email address, and a brief comment. And you even have the option to select multiple people that you would like to invite. And once you're complete, just go ahead and send the invite. And those are the most important features of the patient portal.